Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Grafana data sources for Prometheus and Loki queries. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Grafana dashboard in your web browser. Log in using your credentials if prompted. Navigate to the left-hand menu and select Configuration. From the Configuration menu, click on Data Sources. You will see a list of existing data sources. Identify the data source you want to update for Prometheus or Loki. Click on the name of the data source to open its settings. For Prometheus, check the URL and ensure it points to the correct Prometheus server. Modify the access method if necessary, selecting between server or browser access. For Loki, verify the URL in the same way, making sure it points to your Loki instance. Adjust any relevant settings like authentication if required. Scroll down to find any additional settings that may need adjustments. Review the timeouts and data fetch settings for optimal performance. To test the connection, click on Test and Save. If the test is successful, you will see a confirmation message. If there are issues, double-check the entered URLs and access methods. Once you are satisfied with the updates, click Save and Test. Return to the dashboard view by clicking on the Home icon in the left-hand menu. Create or edit a panel that utilizes your updated data sources. Select your updated Prometheus or Loki data source from the Query section. Build your queries as needed and visualize your data. Your Grafana data sources for Prometheus and Loki are now updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.